Welcome to your review channel. Do appreciate you stopping by for this one. This is all about eBay. A special event that's coming up this year for eBay. 25th anniversary. A little information about you should know. Watch the video. I'll tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of your review channel. Appreciate you tuning in for this one. This is a special episode. Basically, we're talking about eBay. So eBay's having a special 25th anniversary celebration, but not your typical 25th anniversary celebration. This one's special. It's all online, totally virtual. What's special about this is that you should register as soon as possible, before August 25th, and you'll get a free gift box with all kinds of swag celebrations, t-shirts, buttons, souvenirs, cards, all kinds of cool stuff they're giving away if you have an eBay account. And if you don't have an eBay account, also do sign up. Very, very important. So this is a very cool thing. I don't know if everybody knows about it, but if you sell on eBay and you have an eBay account, you should do this. Definitely register. Check out the store. They're having an online party, a virtual DJ. They're looking at a little bit of look back. They're looking ahead what's happening in the future. The celebration itself. Usually, like I said, they would have this in Vegas or something really big. Because of COVID-19 this year, unfortunately, they have to do it online and virtual, which is really a first, I have to say. And I give them a lot of credit for doing it. I mean, that's a big deal, right? I mean, this is no joke what's going on. And for them to step out of the box and do something like this for us as sellers, I think it speaks really highly about eBay. But check out their website. It's ebay25.com is the address. Check that out. Celebrate your eBay story. You can submit stories. You can have this. I think there's going to be some live interaction. There's going to be a lot of chatting. There's going to be a virtual DJ. You can show them some of your swag, what you've done over the years. Get decked out. Show yourself. It's just take yourself anniversary shopping. There are all kinds of cool stuff that you can purchase if for the 25th anniversary. And I think it's kind of cool. eBay celebrating 25 years online. I mean, they are the pioneer of online selling. And I've been selling online for about 24 years myself, so I've been pretty familiar with the eBay platform, and I have tons of videos that I'll leave links for. So if you want to learn about selling on eBay, if you have any questions about selling on eBay, leave some questions below. If you have any links, I'll leave a link below with all my stories that I have with eBay about selling and how to sell on eBay, give you some basic information to help you. And if you have any questions or comments, leave below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel out quite a bit. It does offer me some support on my end if you subscribe to my channel, and it does help build up my presence. And I want to be able to bring you all the content that I possibly can, that I create for you guys for free, and just pop it out there for you so you can have the information. It's so important. But the most important thing is ASAP, sign up for this, okay? Because this event is happening Friday, September 25th at 12 p.m. That's in California time, so 3 p.m. Eastern time if you're on the East Coast, and around 12 o'clock if you're in California. And that's how the time frame kind of runs, is 3 hours. All right, any questions or any comments at all? Please don't forget to share this video. If anybody who sells on eBay, also send out the link. Let them know, send out this video so they can see it, so they know what's going on, and they can register for it as well. It's so important that everybody really knows about this. This is a big deal. I really have to say eBay stepped up, and they're stepping out of the box because they looking at this situation as a bad situation with the COVID, and really stepping out of the box and helping the sellers and making them feel part of the celebration. And that's really kind of cool. All right, guys, that's it for me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I wanted to bring this to your attention as soon as possible so you can get out there and you can register your store and you can get free stuff like t-shirts, everything. They're giving you free t-shirts. They're giving you all kinds of stuff. Who knows what's in the swag bags? They can surprise you. And there's also going to be a lot of drawings and raffles and all kinds of cool stuff. All right, I'll stop talking. Just get to the website. Do yourself a favor, register, and I appreciate it. All right, that's it for me. I'll see you at the next review.